This video is gonna help you identify whether you are about to become profitable or just about to mess it up. So if you're break-even or unprofitable, you need to watch this video till the end, because if you don't, you're just gonna stay the same for another 2 years, even though you're closer than you think. What about your P&L? Is it the most important thing of your trading? If that is the case, then you're absolutely cooked. We all start for the money, right? That's what most traders do, and it really shouldn't be the case, since trading is all about the price action and really the process. If you only care about the P&L, then trading is not gonna be your business model, my friend. I'm sorry to say that, but that is truly the truth, right? Well, we all have an experience of that. When I opened a trade and it was red, and I said, well, how do I close this? I don't want to lose anymore. And what I ended up seeing is my trade going from red to profit, and I was out of it. And also, take a look at profitable traders. Have you seen them trading with emotions or caring about how much they lost today? Well, some of them do, but really, the ones that are really profitable do not make this mistake. They might be even down 130k, and they don't care at all. They have an expectancy, and that is what they really care for. They do not care, oh my god, I lost 20k today. Whatever. It just happened. They are gonna know that they are profitable, no matter what. Their expectancy says so, and it's gonna happen. They might have 10 losses in a row, and they win covering 20 losses in a row. That is really how you have to think of trading. It's not really what you lose now, but what you'll make and how much profit you'll actually gain for it. Well, another good one is that you are bored more often. If that is the case, then you are not obsessed with making money anymore, and you don't think of your P&L. Real traders do not really chase that dopamine hit you've been really looking for, and they do not really overtrade at all. So, because they take so little trades, it will end up being boring. Another thing I wanted to say is that once you're about to become profitable, and once you are profitable, losses start to feel like they are nothing. Alright? Losses are nothing, it's just a part of the process, and I have conviction in my system, and I do not care, I don't give a shit about losses. Once you have an edge, you really do not care about it anymore. And that's also a good way to understand those fake gurus, or what you may, or if you have a friend that says that he's profitable, but once he loses a trade, he'll DM you on Discord and say, oh my god, I lost $500, or I lost $1,000. They don't really do that. Profitable traders tend not to post their losses and wins. They really do not care about what you say and what's your opinion on it. They just have a system, and if this thing works, then they are alright. They might have a losing month, they'll not send it to you. They are not dumb like you are. And that means that you are comfortable with your results. If you are not chasing for outside motivation and you are trying to get something out of it, I don't know what you're thinking, then you are miles away from becoming a profitable trader. You maybe have started now. And if you're watching this and you're not profitable or not even break even, you should really have confidence on your system, and you shouldn't really be guilty of your results and sending it to everybody. You shouldn't really do that. So journaling is pretty boring, right? And most traders end up not journaling their losses at all, and they think they are profitable. And once they open their exchange, they see they have to fill it up again. Profitable traders and those who are close to becoming profitable view trading like a process and do not chase profits at all. What we really care about is minimizing our losses, and that is exactly what will make you profitable. If you have a lot of unnecessary losses, I'm not saying losses don't happen, of course they happen, and you don't try to minimize them, then you're never gonna become as profitable as you really want to. You might be break-even, but profitable, there is no chance at all. If you're not journaling your trades, you are just lying to yourself. And it's really not all about lying, but you also get incorrect data. So as a result, you cannot remove unnecessary losses from your trading. And this way, you are never becoming profitable, man. Well, break-even status is already very hard to accomplish, and you are likely trading for 1.5 or even 2 years with the same strategy. And you are thinking, oh my god, I've done zero process. I've been trading for 2 years and I didn't make $1. I have some good news to you. First of all, being break-even means you've done pretty good. Man, most traders never reach there, and those who do tend to quit because of that emotional thing. And if you're break-even, you are really close to profitability. When you go from unprofitable to break-even, it's like switching a stage. So you are really one stage away from profitability. If you're break-even, then you are maybe 12 months or even 6 months away from becoming profitable. Do you realize how much progress you've really done? Most traders never even learn risk management. You've been break-even. You've done the correct risk management, you have a solid edge, but what you don't do is you don't remove those losses. Really should be your focus right now. Removing those unnecessary losses. And if you can really do that, you skyrocket your chances of becoming profitable. If you've been watching this video and you are a beginner trader, then you should really watch this video right here, because I explain to you exactly how to start trading and how to set up your tools, like anything you want to do, including a strategy. And I'm watching you from afar and I'm rooting for you.